In this question, we are going to measure the width of the chloroplast in the plant cell by using stage micrometer and the eyepiece reticule. So in the view of the microscope, by using light microscope, there are the measuring the tools are given. One measuring tool is a stage micrometer. So this stage micrometer smallest unit length is given in the question, that is 0.1 millimeter. While the eyepiece reticule, that consists of 0 to the 100 units, and the smallest unit we have to measure with the help of stage micrometer. So first we shall measure the smallest unit of eyepiece reticule. And after measuring of the smallest unit of eyepiece reticule, we shall measure the width of chloroplast. And then how many units of eyepiece reticule are covering the width of chloroplast in the plant cell? We will multiply with that, and then we will get our answer. So let's proceed to the question. In the question, the statement has been given. The diagram shows the stage micrometer scale on which the small units are 0.1 millimeter. It is viewed through the eyepiece containing a reticule. So that's the one small unit of a stage micrometer is 0.1 millimeter. So first we shall measure how many units are coming under one stage micrometer units. So this is my one stage micrometer unit, and we shall see that how many units of eyepiece reticule are coming under one stage micrometer units. So that consists of from 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So these are total 40 units are under stage micrometer. So mean like one stage micrometer contain 40 units of the eyepiece reticule. Now, with the help of this data, we shall measure what is the width of one eyepiece reticule. So 0.1 millimeter width of the stage micrometer divided by the 40 units of eyepiece reticule. So it's equal to the 0.0025 millimeter. So this 0.0025 millimeter is the smallest unit of eyepiece reticule. Now this millimeter unit we will convert into micrometer. Why? We are going to measure with the help of the microscope. So that's why we will convert these values into the microns. So by converting these values into the micron, we will multiply this by 1000. So 0.0025 multiplying to the 1000, that is equal to 2.5 the micrometer. So this 2.5 micrometer is the smallest unit of eyepiece reticule. So in this procedure, first we shall measure the smallest unit of eyepiece reticule. Now, after measuring the smallest unit of eyepiece reticule, we will replace the stage micrometer with the slide of a plant cell. Now, this plant cell slide contains the small chloroplast. So we shall select any chloroplast from the plant cell. For example, we're going to select this chloroplast, or you can select any other chloroplast in the plant cell. And with the help of eyepiece reticule, you're supposed to measure the width of one chloroplast. Let's suppose it consists of how many units, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the eyepiece reticule, 4 units are coming under the width of one chloroplast. So we shall multiply these 4 units with smallest division of eyepiece reticule. The 4 units multiply with 2.5, that is equal to 10 micrometer. So in this way, that our answer will be here the examiner asking questions like, what is the width of a chloroplast? So width of chloroplast is 10 micrometer. So that's our answer. We are going to proceed to the similar type of the next question. And in this question, the similar way, the examiner has given us one stage micrometer, one eyepiece reticule, and asking the questions, the diagram shows a stage micrometer scale viewed through the eyepiece containing reticule. So the small division of this stage micrometer scale are 0.1 millimeter. So with the help of the stage micrometer, first we shall measure the smallest unit of eyepiece reticule. Then with the help of eyepiece reticule, we shall measure the width of nucleus in the plant cell. So let's proceed it. So here, the one stage micrometer, the unit contain how many eyepiece reticule? These are 40 units. Now these 40 units, we will use these 40 units to measure the smallest unit of eyepiece reticule, and that is the 0.1 millimeter divided by 40 is equal to 0.0025 millimeter. Now, this 0.0025 millimeter, we will convert into micrometer by multiplying by into 1000. Why? Because 1 millimeter contain 1000 micrometer. Now, this is the smallest unit of eyepiece reticule. So here we have the smallest unit of eyepiece reticule is 2.5 micrometer. Now, by using this, the 2.5 micrometer, the smallest unit, so we shall measure, we shall use the scale, and by using this scale, we shall measure the width of nucleus. Now, this width of nucleus is coming around 9 or 9.5 or 10 units. So these are the 10 units. So these 10 units multiply with the 2.5 micrometer, and our answer will be the 25 micrometer. So this is our C is the correct answer. That is the 25 micrometer. Now in this question, the examiner was asking the width of the nucleus. So when we are proceeding, some students find it's the 9. So, or some find it's 10. So if you're finding like 9, so you will multiply this 9 with the 2.5, your answer will be around 25 micrometer. So in this type of the question, the examiner will give you the big range, so you can easily identify the questions. Thank you.